Well, we've had a patch of clouds at about 25,000 feet moving overhead this afternoon, but as you can see live here out across Marble Falls, the clouds are certainly thinning out. Sky is mostly sunny there. The view from our Highland Furniture Center camera, which you can always access on KXAN.com. Highland Furniture is right there in 1431. You can always get a good view of the sky over Marble Falls from that perspective. 68 degrees is the current temperature in Austin right now. It's 64 out there in Marble Falls. 58 is our forecast for 8 o'clock tonight and 53 at 10 o'clock. So as January nights go, this one's a pretty mild one. 61 degrees in Llano, 61 in Fredericksburg. Burnett coming in at 60. In the metro area right now, 63 up in Georgetown. A lot of 66s there on the weather map. Down in Dripping Springs, it's 67. Still 70 in Lockhart and Luling. What a beautiful day there. Same over there in Fayette County. Lee County, 67. Lexington, 66. Giddings, Austin, 68 and partly cloudy. The airport, partly cloudy and 67. Winds are northerly now in the city. A very weak front has moved through. I bet you didn't even notice it unless you happen to notice the flag was flying one way for a while and has changed direction. Certainly not much cooling with this front. No wind at the airport. Sunset tonight is 5:44. And another day, knock on wood, hopefully we can keep them coming here, that cedar is acceptable. 102 is the count today. That's in the medium category. We're really thinking that the drought is going to keep the cedar pollen from being just, too wildly extreme this month of January. So far, we've had pretty good luck. Mole count, though, still high today at 1,415. And around Texas, 58 up in Dallas, 69 in Houston, 71 in San Antonio. Look down there on the coast, 73 in Corpus, 71 down in Brownsville. Beautiful day. There's that little patch of clouds that's been moving across our sky tonight, but I think they'll continue to thin out. We're likely to become mostly clear, at least temporarily. Weak front associated with the little system moving through there today, but the jet stream right now shooting way up into Canada, so unseasonably mild air, not only here in Texas, stretches all the way up into the Rockies right now. 57 on a January afternoon in Denver. 53 in Billings. That's pretty nice. And we're going to continue to see warmer than average weather over the next several days. Even beyond that, the 14-day outlook still looks warm and dry. I'm going to show that to you tonight on our 6 o'clock news, so be back here with us then. There is a little weak upper-level impulse moving across South Texas here over the next 48 hours. So some clouds, maybe a little moisture down there, but we're not expecting that in our part of the state. However, that may change pretty soon. But for the next couple of days, cool mornings, not excessively cold, wonderful afternoons, maybe not quite as warm as today, tomorrow, but I think we're back into the 70s on Friday. And then rain possible late Sunday, Monday. There's a storm way out in the Pacific Ocean right now that the computer models want to drag down to the south and then across Texas during the day on Monday. If it happens just that way, I think there's a pretty good chance we'll get maybe some light rain. It's not going to be anything too significant. Well, here are your lows tonight, 30s and low 40s. Most places stay above freezing except the coldest valleys. And then tomorrow afternoon, that's not 73, but that's not bad either, mid to upper 60s. Tonight, clear. Well, at least clearing, let's call it. 42 in Austin in the morning, then 66. Some clouds in the sky. Winds start north, then go back to the southwest tomorrow, and that'll make a warmer day on Friday. 46 Friday morning, 73 Friday afternoon. Saturday, 48 in the morning, 68 degrees Saturday afternoon. We'll have a front come through on Saturday, which is why it's a couple of degrees cooler. Then we'll start to cloud up on Sunday. Could have a shower as early as late Sunday, a better chance of some light rain on Monday, ending early Tuesday, another cold front on Wednesday.